I've just pulled this Dyson filter out of a customer's vacuum cleaner and it feels really heavy. So we're going to open it up and see what's hiding inside. Now stick around because there is a lesson to be learnt from this. I'm going to try and tap as much dirt as I can out of this filter, which is something you should do every time you clean your comb filter on a Dyson. I've got a video for this in the top corner now and also in the description. But all the dirt isn't coming out. I'm convinced there's more inside. I'm just going to cut this thing open. Okay, so this is absolutely solid, this is. Honestly, if you tried washing this, you'd basically make a brick that sits inside. It kind of smells a bit damp as well. I'm just going to get a screwdriver and scrape this out. Honestly, it goes all the way up to the top, I think. I'm kind of glad I put this paper towel down now. I think this is the most dust I've ever seen in a Dyson filter. Okay, I can't get all of it out. I'm just going to cut it down the middle now. There's hair inside and everything, look. Okay, I think I've got the most of it now. Just look at all the dust that was inside it. Now, I don't normally see filters that bad, but there is a lesson from it. If you've got poor suction and you've checked your hoses for splits and you've checked all your pipes for blockages, I almost guarantee it that there's an issue with your filter. Please go and see my cleaning video here. That might help change the way you clean your filter. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do have much more helpful videos than this, I assure you. But yes, any questions at all, folks, just chuck them in the comments. I will try and help.